Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Schwab app. First, download the Schwab mobile app from your device's app store. Once installed, log in securely using your Schwab account credentials. The app's dashboard provides a quick overview of your investments, including account balances and recent activity. It's designed for easy navigation, putting your financial information right at your fingertips. The Schwab app makes managing your investments straightforward. You can easily view your account balances and track your portfolio's performance in real time. Trading stocks, ETF, and mutual funds is simple, requiring just a few taps. Plus, you can set up customized alerts for price changes or important news, helping you stay informed about your holdings. Beyond investing, the Schwab app offers robust banking features. You can deposit checks remotely using your phone's camera, saving you a trip to the bank. Easily transfer funds between your Schwab accounts or to external banks. The app also allows you to pay bills and manage your Schwab Bank Visa debit card, providing comprehensive financial control. The Schwab app provides valuable tools like research, market insights, and educational resources to help you make informed decisions. If you ever need assistance, you can contact customer support directly through the app. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to stay hydrated while managing your finances on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.